Today we are going to start with perimeter and area. Would you need to find area or the perimeter if you wanted to? First, know the length of wire needed to fence a park. Second, the length of cloth needed to make a table cover. Third, how many chairs can be placed in a given room. Fourth, the distance covered by Adit when he took 5 rounds of a square park. In case first and fourth, you need to find the perimeter, as perimeter is the distance around a closed figure. In case second and third, you need to find the area, as area is a measure of the region or surface occupied. In class 6, you have learnt how to find the perimeter and area of rectangle and a square. Let us revise with special emphasis of the units of area and perimeter. You know that the area enclosed by a region of square of side 1 cm is 1 cm square. If 4 such squares are placed together, the area enclosed by them is 4 cm square. Similarly, area of a region of side 1 meter is equal to 1 meter square. The SI unit of length is equal to 1 meter and SI unit of area is equal to 1 meter square, that is 1 square meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter. That means 100 centimeter multiplied 100 centimeter is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. For larger areas, especially of land, we use units like acre and hectare. Using basic formula, let's start with square. To find the perimeter of a square, L is equal to side. So the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into L and the area will be L into L, that is L square. Let's find the perimeter and area of a rectangle. Here L is equal to length and B is equal to breadth. So the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2L plus B and area is equal to L into B. Let's start with one example. A hall has 4 walls, each measuring 11.5 meters multiplies 7.2 meters. It has 2 doors of height 2 meter and width 1 meter. It also has 3 windows of size 1 meter multiplies 0.5 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Here we are going to find the area of 1 wall, then area of 4 walls, then area of 2 doors and 3 windows. After that, we are going to find out the area of whitewashed and cost of whitewashing. Let's start with this. Area of 1 wall is equal to 11.5 meter multiplies 7.2 meters, that is 82.80 meters square. Area of 4 walls is equal to 4 multiply 82.80 is equal to 331.20 meters square. After that, we'll find the area of 2 doors plus 3 windows, that is 1 into 2 plus 3, 1 into 0.5, that is 4 plus 1.5 is equal to 5.5 meters square. Area to be washed is equal to 331.20, then subtracted with 5.5 we will get 325.70 meters square. After that, we are going to find out the cost of whitewashing, that is rupees 325.70 when multiplied with 40 will get rupees 13,028. Students, let us understand perimeter and area with the help of some examples. The area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park. If the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of a rectangular park. So the area of a square park is equal to side square, that is one of its sides will be side square, and the side is given 60 meter. So when we'll square 60 square, we'll get the answer 3600 meter square. Now let us move to the rectangular park. Area of the rectangular park is given length into breadth. and the area of square park and rectangular park is same, so the area will be 3600. So 90 multiplied breadth is equal to 3600, and then we'll divide 3600 with 90, so we get the answer breadth is equal to 40 meter. So this is the answer. Let's see one more example. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. Also find the area. We have to find the breadth as well as the area both. So the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is equal to 2 length plus breadth, and perimeter is given 100 centimeter. So 2 35 plus breadth is equal to 100, and when we'll divide 2 by 100 we get 50. So 35 plus b is equal to 50, and b will be, when we'll transpose 35 to the right hand side, we'll get 50 minus 35, that is 15 centimeter. Therefore the breadth is equal to 15 centimeter. And now we can find out the area of a rectangular sheet, that is length into breadth. Length is already given 35 and breadth we have find out 15. So 35 multiply 15, that is 525 centimeter square. So this is the area of a rectangular sheet. See one more example. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meters. Perimeter is given 320 meter, and the formula is 4 into length into 4 into length of the side of the park is equal to 320. So the when we'll transpose 4 to the right hand side, we get 320 upon 4, that is 80 meter. Therefore the area is equal to length of the side of the park square is equal to 80 square, that is 6400 meter square. In this way we'll find out the area. See one more question. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if the area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. So the area is equal to length into breadth, that is 440 meter square, that is 22 into breadth is equal to 440, and we'll transpose 22 to the right hand side, so 440 upon 22 will become 20 meters. And the formula of perimeter is equal to 2 length plus breadth. So 2 22 plus 20 is equal to 2 multiply 42, that is 84 meters square. In this way we'll find out the perimeter of a question. Thank you and have a nice day.